I said I was
gonna... Ngayon pala sa makakain ng mandi.
Hi guys. Today we're in Zebian with...
As usual, Kuya and Dad.
Okay, don't ask why my face is like that, okay?
Watermelon. And she likes it.
No, mommy. That
Kuya just came from work. That's why he's wearing his Kuya Mart uniform.
Kuya Mart?
Yeah. Serve now the soup. How's the soup?
No, I'm not eating that.
Matapos lang ang tabi niya.
It's too small.
Pansip na dapat po.
What's this?
Ano niya?
What?
Ano namin?
Ay.
Okay, ganun. Soup. Take the soup.
Okay, let's see. You can take the soup. So what can you say about the food? Huh? What can you say about your food? And you, what can you say?
Good.
You?
Good chef is Zebian. Number 1.
Rahamwat. Okay, bye.
And you?
Good. Say bye
Now
na.
we're drinking tea.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Till next video.